welcome to my YouTube channel again today. In this video I want to show you another platform that work exactly like some power. As you can see, if you have been watching my video before, you will know that I'm withdrawing every day by day on some power. So let me just show you the proof that I'm withdraw every day by day on some power. And this platform work exactly like some power. You work exactly like some power. So if you have money, you can do the two together if you to make money from the two platforms. So let me just show you my withdrawal proof on some power so that you can know that this platform, you can know that I'm withdrawing from some power. And this platform, I think those people that owns some power are the one that owns this also, because everything on this platform was also in the some power platform. So let me show it now. So this is my some power. As you can see, I have 515 naira here, 515 naira here. I just withdraw this money. As you can see, I've earned about 6,112 naira this morning already. If you check the time now, you see that this is 2 p.m. So let me show it to you. I've withdrawn but not yet received, because it takes some times, like maybe 3 hours or 4 hours before you will see the withdraw alert. As you can see, these are my withdrawal on some power. You can check it. I withdraw every day. I started some power on the 19th of June. So since then I've been withdrawing every day by day. As you can see now, I withdraw on the 19th, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. I withdraw on the 1, 2, 3, 4 of July. You can check it. Go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then I skipped on the 13. I don't withdraw on the 13. I skip on the 20 on the 13, so I withdraw on the 20 again. As you can see, I skip on the 13 and I withdraw on the 14 again. So if you can see, on the 14 I withdraw about 20 plus. So let me show it to you. So on the 15 again, which is today, I've withdrawn about 9,000 naira already, which I will receive the alert soon. So guys, I advise you to join Bitmain also. If you are on some power, if you are doing some power, you can do the Bitmain also and start earning money from both the platform. So guys, check the description of this video and you will see the link to register on the platform. You will see the link to register there. Register. Immediately you register, they will direct you to where you will download their application, their app on your phone. So immediately you download the app, log in into it, and they will give you free machine first. That one will last for just 7 days or 14 days for you to run. It will run for you for free. So you can deposit on the app, deposit and buy their machine, their miner machine. You can buy their miner machine. You click on here, you click on buy. When you click on buy, this is the Bitcoin miner S19 Pro. If you purchase this one at the rate of 10,000 naira, this machine will be earning you 13 naira daily, no, 13 naira every hours, 13 naira every hour. So you can do the calculation. 13 naira times 24 hours, 13 times 24 hours will give you 3112 in 24 hours. So I know this money is small in your eyes, in your face, as you are looking at it, is small, but this make this platform legit. It makes it real, because they are not promising you big amount of money, just a little duration. They are not promising you big amount of money. So if it is the 3,800 miner Bitcoin miner S19 you want, this one will be earning you 4.8 naira every hour. You can do the calculation in 24 hours and you get know how much we'll be making. This 30,000 naira own will be giving you 38 naira per hour. You can do the calculation, 38 times 24 hours, which is 24 hours. Then you know the amount you'll be making. This one will be making you about, let me do it for you. That's 38 times 24 hours. This one will be earning you 912 every day. Why this 80,000 naira Bitcoin miner machine, which will be earning you 108 per hour. 108 per hour, it will be per hours times 24 hours will be earning you 2,592 naira every single day, and you can withdraw. The minimum withdrawal is 1,000 naira. The minimum withdrawal is 1,000 naira. You can withdraw at any time. And one thing about this platform is that you will earn back your investment capital. You will earn it back a in a month. Then let me just put it like this: your first month will be like you are not making more profit, because you will only earn back what you invest. Okay, let me use this 80,000 naira as an example for you. 108 times 24 will give you 2,592. That 2,592 times 30 days will give you 77,760 in a month. That means you will be collecting 77,760 every single month. Every single month. This is the amount you will be collecting for 12 months. This is the amount you will be collecting. It's like putting your money in something, as in it's like collecting salary. It's like you are collecting salary. You put your 80,000 naira into it, or 3,800 naira into the platform, or your 30,000 naira. Then you will be collecting the amount back every month. For the 80,000 naira machine, now you will be collecting 77,760 every single month. Every month you'll be collecting. You can withdraw it every day by day, daily. You can withdraw your 2,592 naira every day, or you can leave it there for the 30 days. Even though you are withdrawing it every day by day, you will still make the amount 77,760. So 77,760 times 12 will give you 933,120. 933,120 only from this platform. Only from this platform. And you can buy as many as Bitcoin miner as you want. You can buy the 80,000, you can buy the 30,000, you can buy the 38, you can buy the 10,000, you can buy the 200k, and also you can buy all these after they've released all this miner. So guys, this is my update for you today. So guys, try to use it. Try to check the description of this video, register and start making money, guys. As you can see my sun power. You can see how much I'm withdrawing every day by day on the platform. So after you register, the next step to do is to verify your phone number. Then you click on me. You see it here. You click on verify your phone number. So you have to bind your phone number. Click on bind, then enter your phone number, then click on send. On this enter verification, you click on send, then wait for it. As you can see, I've received the verification number. Now this is the verification number, so let me just input it into here. Okay, now click on binding. Now the next step is to bind your email. If you want to bind your email, I would like to bind my email, so let me just pause this video and bind my email. I don't want to cast my email. So here is it. They have sent the message to the code to me on my email. So they are still also the Sun Solar. They are still the same thing. On this platform they are paying. So guys, I advise you to do it. So now I've verified my phone number on the platform and my email. So the next step to do is to click on recharge. As you can see, for verify they give me 15 naira. I know, for verify it now. So the next step I want you to do is to just collect this 16 naira you are seeing here. Click on receive to receive it. Because they give me a free 30,000 naira anti-miner machine, anti-miner engine that will be working for me and will be earning me money. So this one has already earned me 16.7 naira per the hour. As you can see, the purchase date here is 15/8/2022. This one will work for only 3 days. Only 3 days for me. It will only work for 3 days. So I click on done to receive it. Cola, that is it. I've received it. My money will be 30 something now. Now my money is now 31 naira 7 kobo. Now the next step, if you want to recharge, the next thing to do is to click on recharge here. Then enter the amount you want to recharge. Either you are recharging through USDT or you are recharging through your ordinary recharge, which is your bank account. If you are recharging through USDT, you click on 50U or 100U. That is the minimum withdraw recharge. So I want to recharge through bank now. So either you are recharging the 3,800 or the 10,000 naira. You click on, let me say I want to recharge for 100k now. Let me say I want to recharge for the 100k. I click on 100k, then I click on recharge. Either you use quick pay or bank transfer. Let's say bank transfer. This is for bank transfer, but for quick pay, then I click on recharge and wait for it. So it will take you to Chrome. It will take you to Chrome. We are using the quick pay. If you are using the quick pay, it will take you to the Chrome. If you are using the bank transfer, so it will show you a bank account number you will send the money to and your proof of payment. But this quick pay, I like it most because immediately you send the money into it, then you click on confirm, you click on paid, then the money will appear on your on your account immediately on your Bitminer account. So this is the account number I'm to send money into now. This is the account number. I click on copied. The bank is Wema Bank. The account name is Oko Technology Limited. So after that, I will go to my bank mobile banking app, then I will send the 100k into this account number. Immediately I send the 100k into this account number, then I will come back to here. I must do this before 30 minutes. So I will come back here and click on I have made the payment. Immediately you click on you have made the payment, then the system will automatically detect the money that come in immediately, and we know that it come from you. It will know immediately. The system, the AI will know immediately that the money come from you. After you click on I have made the payment, then you will see success here, successful. Then immediately you have to go back to your Bitmain account back. Immediately you are on your Bitmain account, you will see the money on your assets. You will see the money there. So immediately you see the money, and let's say I have the 100k there. Guys, don't worry, I will show you the proof of payment on this platform next, on my next video. So let's say you want to withdraw on the platform now. Let's say you want to purchase a machine. You click on buy here, then let's say put in 100k, and I want to purchase let me purchase the 80k here, because right now I don't think there is 100k here. So I will purchase the 80k and two 10k here. So I click on buy, then you read their details, everything. This machine will work for you for 365 days. Then you click on confirm purchase. Immediately you click on confirm purchase, that is all. You have already you've purchased the machine. You've purchased the machine. So the next thing to do is to wait and start seeing your money calculating here. Every hours you'll be seeing your money. That means in a day I will be collecting about 2,800 plus 2,800 or 2,000 or 3,000 naira, because I bought a machine of 100k. So that is it, guys. That is it. That is how this platform work. If you want to withdraw, you click on withdrawal. You click on withdrawal here. Then for the first time you have to bind your bank account number. You click on modify. You click on modify to bind your bank account number. I advise you to use Kuda. If your bank name is not there, like I don't think UBA is there, so you click on Kuda. So on here you enter your name, your full name as it is on your bank account. Then you enter your phone number, then your bank name. You select your bank name here. So you find your bank here. I think UBA is there, United Bank for Africa. That means every bank is here now. So you select your bank. Let me say I just want to select First Bank now. You select your bank, then you input your account number there. Then you click on submit. That is all. So immediately anytime you want to withdraw on this platform, the minimum withdrawal here now is 1,200 naira. The minimum withdrawal is 1,200 naira. So anytime you want to withdraw, you don't need to enter any bank details again. All you need to do is to just enter the amount you want to withdraw, 1,200 naira. Then you click on withdrawal. That is it. But they will tax you 20% of every withdrawal you place on the platform. On this 1,200 naira, they will tax you about 240 naira for the withdrawal. So guys, this platform is paying. As you can see, my Sun Power withdrawal proof, everything there. If this platform is not paying, I will not disturb myself or waste my time share it to you. So guys, this is my update for you today. Thank you for watching. If this is your first time on this channel, please don't forget to click on that subscribing button, so that anytime I drop another video such like this or more like this, you will be the first person to see the notification on your phone screen. And don't forget to be expecting my withdrawal proof on this platform. I will soon show you the withdrawal proof now. So thank you for watching. Goodbye. And also, before I go, let me show you can also make money from the platform through rebates. If you have referrals, if you can refer people into it, also you will also make money through rebates every day, every time. So that is it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.